All right, let's talk about unity today, right? So unity, right? I'm going to be referring to both the Bible and the book by Robert Cialdini. I hope I Cialdini, Robert Cialdini. The book is called Influence, and I encourage you guys to get it and read on it. It's about 450 pages long. I'm like, what is this guy telling me that's 450 pages long? Read, like, really, couldn't he just brief it down? Back to the topic, Joe. So on unity, right? In the book, he says that unity is a way to influence people. You know, you could look at the Jews. You could see the power of unity in the Jews. You can also see the power of unity in an Asian community. You see, where it's unity, when I mean unity, I mean, oh, us and we. It is us, it is we. That's a unity. There's a family unity, there's a local unity, there's a regional unity, country unity, religion unity, and it's a point of influence. And one place I'm going to refer to in the Bible real fast is Genesis 10, verse 6. And the Lord said, behold, the people is one, and they have all one language, and this they begin to do, and now nothing will be restrained from them which they have imagined to do. Nothing. Peace.